I mean, we are a corporate investor, yeah, and we are definitely most excited right now about the humanoids industry, humanoid robotics. We are currently supplying products to the automotive industry, and looking at the market estimates and the speed and all the valuations in the market in humanoids, this is going to be a huge market soon. Yeah? Estimates range between 15 billion and 40 billion, and we can help as an automotive manufacturer. We can help to develop this industry by applying use cases with us, the first use cases in the world, and further driving valuations up. And then over the longer term, we can sell massively into the market. So that can transform our industry. It can transform the humanoid industry, and it leads to huge success stories and financial gains for everyone. Yeah? And we like to invest in the space, yeah, to early participate into that. Yeah?